Have a good day to all friends, followers, listeners. How are you all? Hope all will be fine and doing very awesome. Orion Expert Advisor, look here, $126 with made today profit. Look here, this is on volatility 100 index. Okay, now it's time to take the withdraw and make the profit withdraw. So now I'm going to take the withdraw and let's see the front of you guys. So this is all made the profit $126 profit, and now I'm going to withdraw from binary website. And look here, this is my real scientific index account, $689.14 balance overall. So let's take the $126 is 126 dollars is the withdraw from MT5. Okay guys, the $126 is the profit, and now let me take the withdraw from cashier. Okay guys, now just to click on cashier and let's click on withdraw, and where the binary will send us an email, and the email is sent on my email. Let me check my email box. So let's see here guys, I also recorded a good video about Orion EA when this expert advisor was on work. I look here at the binary.com. Let me withdraw in my Skrill account. Okay, let's click on this binary withdraw link, and let's process this withdraw request. And I will also try to show you our Orion EA live trading. Look here guys, sorry, $126 using Skrill. My details already there. Request for payout. Within a few hours they will send me the payout. Okay guys, here is the payout request is done. So let me show you one more thing, and this thing is here from my gallery, and look here. Have a good day to all friends, followers, how are you all? Hope all will be fine and doing very awesome. Someone asked me, let me show you guys, this is live Orion EA's version 1.0 is doing live trading. Look here, Orion EA, and right here 3.93 or 4.79 is the profit holding. Look here, here is the trade by this bot, and it's working very good. Okay guys,